Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon, January 2019. I've got a great selection of used vehicles. The one I want to highlight right now is a very inexpensive 2010 Roadtrek RS Adventurous Mercedes chassis. Come on, let's take a peek inside. Standard 4 seats up front. You can turn these seats around and make twin beds, so it will sleep 4 and seat 7. This is the 22-foot long unit. We have an electric bed in the back. It's made right down now into twin beds. You can fill the center section in if you want to make it into a real large bed. Entertainment center is here in the back. You have surround sound. TV flips around in the aisle, so you can turn the chairs around and watch it from up front if you want to leave your bed made up. DVD player. Your speaker control for the radio or the home theater system in here in the back. And you got great storage. This even goes in the back there for longer items. Nice big storage area in the back, which if you want to use this to sit, you can put your bedding up there. Jalousie windows on both sides for ventilation with the fantastic fan up on top. This right here, wardrobe closet. You got your table legs in here. All your hangers come out for easy access. Got a little cubby storage in here. 3-way refrigerator, freezer on top. Control panels up above, easier to get to. Full extension on your drawer. Granite countertops. Recessed sink. Recessed 2-burner stove. A little pantry, which is kind of nice. Convection microwave, so you can bake. Silverware. Little spice rack. Has a fair amount of storage, and this should be where your fuses and circuit breakers are located. It's kind of nice. They put it up where you can stand here and read them. They're all labeled. Makes it really nice to be able to get in a position where you don't have to get down on your hands and knees. TV antenna. You crank it up, turn it for direction for a better signal. Okay, let's not forget the bathroom. Got a magazine rack on the outside. And here's the inside. Shower's hooked into the faucet. You have to just pull it. And again, this is a shower where you're going to rinse, turn it off, scrub, and rinse off. Curtain comes clear out here, comes all the way down and stays inside the lip to keep your floor nice and dry. This hook right here hooks to this, and that way you get the extra room for elbow room. All right. Right up here, you got a nice storage area. Both seats swivel. The lever to swivel them is right down here. The new ones are on the back. 6-cylinder, 5-speed, 22 miles per gallon. Power mirrors. Does have a add-on screen here. And all your control panels are right here. The battery disconnect switch. That's why the battery's low. Somebody left the inverter on. 110 hot water heater, and it has a propane generator because this is a diesel unit and they don't make small enough diesel generators to put them in most cases. Let's take a trip around the outside. Dual tires. So one ton, it's got great carry capacity. Trailer hitch, plug in, backup cameras right there. Yes, this is a fresh unit, just came in. There's your shore cord, got a little extra storage down below. And you can add another seat belt for your third person. This has just got shoulder restraints for 2 right now. That's easy to do. There's exhaust for your generator. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. This is a vent for your refrigerator in the service entrance. There's your spare tire. Power shore cord hookup. Macerator hose. The little black knob is if your macerator gets plugged. You can take that and move the impeller to free it up. Only number 1 and number 2 down the toilet. Don't put anything else in there. You will not have a problem. Propane tanks up here, water hookups here, and then behind the driver's door is the door covering the fuel fill, so nobody can monkey with it. Little red button here is to turn the macerator on, so when you have it over here, push the button and within about a minute it's empty. It's a very nice system. If you have any questions on this product or any of the other products, call the van guy. Call me direct at 541-554-9581 or use my email address. Appreciate your time, and I do look forward to working with you.